Hi friends, welcome back! Today we're going to try this super cool experiment. We're going to turn a raw egg into a bouncing rubber ball. Are you ready? Let's do it! For our awesome experiment, we need vinegar, eggs, and food coloring. We have 2 empty cups. Let's fill them both with vinegar. Good job, my friends! Now, for the second step, we're going to put food coloring in both cups of vinegar. For our first cup of vinegar, we've decided to use blue food coloring. We are putting red food coloring in our second cup of vinegar. Now, boys and girls, each of our little scientists will take 1 raw egg and place it into our cups filled with vinegar. We did it! Good job, my friends! You will notice that both of our raw eggs have sunk to the bottom. Now, boys and girls, this is the hard part. We need to wait for 5 whole days before we can see if our experiment has worked. Here we go. Oh boy, my friends, it's been 5 whole days. I can't wait to see what's happened to our eggs. Let's pour our first egg into a bowl of water. That way we can wash it off and make sure that it's all clean. But we have to be very gentle because our raw egg is very fragile. That means it breaks very easily. Now it's time to pour our red egg into the bowl of water. Again, we're going to wash it off very carefully. We don't want to break our bouncy egg. I do notice as we're washing our eggs off that they've gotten a little bit bigger. I wonder if anything else has changed. Let's see. Let's move our bowl of water out of the way so that we've got lots of room to test our new rubber eggs. Will they really bounce, boys and girls? What do you think? Before we start bouncing, you'll notice that the hard shell on the outside of both of our eggs has disintegrated. That means it's completely gone. It bounces! We did it, boys and girls! We just made our very own bouncing balls! Good job! Now we know, boys and girls, that using eggs, vinegar, and food coloring, we can make our very own bouncing balls! Thank you so much for joining me in this cool experiment! For more amazing learning videos, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.